Here's how to make $100,000 in a year. A friend of mine is in tech. He's a Scrum Master and he's making over $100,000 annually. So I asked him, dude, how did you get this job? And he was like, oh, I took a course for about a month and I started applying for a job. And I was like, wow, it was that easy? And he was like, dude, it wasn't that easy because I applied to over 500 companies before I got that one job. Damn! See, many of us young people start applying to jobs, and when we hear a few no's, we hear 10 no's, we hear about 40 to 50 no's, and you'll be like, man, maybe this job is not for me. Maybe it's not meant to be. Maybe God doesn't want me to do this job. It's not God's will. It is God's will. God wants you to succeed. You are just lazy. See, nothing good in this life comes easy. If you want to succeed, if you want to get that job, if you want to be elevated this year, you need to keep going. You need to keep persevering. You need to persist, because no matter how many no's you hear in life, all you need is one yes. And maybe you will land that $100,000 job like my friend.